Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
According to prominent Barbadian cricket commentator Andrew Mason, Ruston Chase is reportedly in line to be named the new West Indies Test captain. While Cricket West Indies has not officially confirmed, Mason has indicated that a press conference is scheduled for later on Friday in Barbados, where the announcement is anticipated. This development follows earlier reports also by Mason that Cricket West Indies had been actively interviewing a pool of candidates to succeed Craig Brathwaite, who stepped down earlier this year. That list reportedly includes Chase, Joshua Da Silva, Tevin Imlach, Jamaica's John Campbell, Justin Greaves, and Jamel Warrican. Mount Pleasant FA clipped Montego Bay United 1-0, while Cavalier and Arnett Gardens ended 1-1 in their first leg semi-final matches in the Jamaica Premier League on Thursday night in a doubleheader at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. A 21st-minute strike from Clifford Thomas turned out to be the decider on the night. Earlier, defending champions Cavalier FC and Arnett Gardens played to a 1-1 draw in their first leg semi-final encounter at the same venue. Jerome McCleary scored in the 26th minute to give Cavalier the lead. But Arnett fought back to level through Warner Brown in the 81st minute for his 22nd goal of the season to leave the tie even going into the second leg. The return leg semi-final matches will be played on Sunday at Sabina Park. Alfred Frana Francis, race director of the Best Dressed Chicken Everyone's a Winner 3K and 5K Run Walk, is making a plea to members of the public for a special support for this year's staging, set to take place on Father's Day, Sunday, June 15.
We need persons to volunteer to walk with some of these visually impaired persons. We need that kind of support. We need persons to come and volunteer. So you can call 876-967-4903 if you want to come and volunteer.
Part proceeds from the event will, for the second year in a row, go to the Jamaica Society for the Blind towards eye surgeries, particularly cataract surgeries. Senator Floyd Morris was also announced as this year's race patron. In the meantime, Francis says there are added components to this year's staging.
We are doing the tandem father and daughter, our father and son, but this year we are doing grandpa, father and son or daughter. So we're trying to enlarge the family component of the event. Also, Senator Morris has donated $100,000 towards the cause and also is offering $50,000 to the champion family. We want persons to come out. We want families to come out, because at the core of what we're doing is the promotion of a healthy lifestyle.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.